Hello, good morning all of you. Again, welcome back to my channel. This is the Gambit tutorial. Now I am going. Before to go in the Gambit tutorial, now I want some I want to give some suggestions. The suggestion is be practice, be confident, and be get some knowledge. Okay, if you are watching the video and if you really want to learn, then keep sit down and try to understand what is going on. Okay, and after understanding, be practice in your laptop or in your desktop. Okay, the request is if you have any doubts, it is my responsibility to solve them. If I don't have some questions what you are asking, then I will talk to my teacher and I'll try to get some answers it is and give it to you. Okay, let's start the session. Okay, without wasting the time. Now uh, after these are tabs. Okay, now I am going to explain the next tab, that is this one: rectangle, circle and ellipse. Okay, this is the inbuilt uh, of creation of faces by help of some inbuilt commands. Okay, now if I click this rectangle command, then you see a top-up window. Okay, which is different from in the previous. Okay, if click then there you have to select some vertices, some edges, but here you don't have such vertices and such edges. Instead of, you have to mention some dimensions here. Okay, as create the real rectangular surface by the help of something data given here. Okay, now if you watch this, then you will get into clear picture. Be understand, be concentrate at the surface of here, at the work surface. Okay, now I want to give some 1 meter width and 1 meter height. Okay, this is the width and this is the height what they are speaking. And here the select the coordinate system at which you want to place your rectangle. Okay, here you can if you consider the 1:1 ratio, then it becomes a square, and if you change the ratio, then it becomes the rectangle. No matter. And now I am try to create an square. So I have here some more options are there. Okay, that is xy center plus xy plus x plus 1. This is the location where you want to place your rectangle. Okay, if you want to plus x plus y in the sense of plus x direction plus y direction, and plus x minus y in the sense of plus x minus y this direction, that is the fourth quadrant, and minus x plus y in the sense of minus x plus y, that is the second quadrant. Like this, if I click the center, then it becomes here at the center of the coordinate system. Okay, if I click apply, then you will see here this is the this is our surface, which is formed by the help of create a rectangle face. Okay, if you want to provide the label, you can be, but I don't require here. So for the complex geometry, I will use that. Okay, now come to here the circle. Okay, as the same here, I want to just make to as it is correct. Okay, now you are view the properly, and I want to give here some radius, that is I want to undo this. Okay, now I want to give some radius input data as 1 meter, and select the coordinate system as in the previous, that is radius. The data is radius. If you want to give some diameter, then divide radius. Okay, if you want to give the diameter, multiply by it too. Okay, so no matter, that is what it is. Now we are giving here radius. Okay, then please select the plane of the plane at which it should be formed, xy plane or yz plane or whatever it is, I will show you. That is xy plane, okay, and yz plane, okay, next zx plane, okay. It looks like amazing geometry as you are watching here. So if I turn here, then you will see here, this is the amazing geometry can be formed by the help of the that Gambit function and this command, okay. Now come across the next one. I will again undo this, okay. Now come across the ellipse one, okay. This is as it takes the two different radius, that is r1 is here, r2 is here. Now I want to give the r1 as 1, r2 is 2, and I want to select some coordinate system, that is coordinate system here, and the plane is xy. Apply. As you are seeing in the plane xy, it will form, okay. This is the xy plane has formed there. If you select the yz plane, apply, and keep on zx plane, apply, then you will see here, okay. It is looks like a amazing geometry. This type of complex geometry we can form by the help of the Gambit and this type of commands, okay. Now come across the this is these commands, okay. These commands are also called as the unity operation commands, okay. I will undo this again, okay. Now I want to try to form the two face here, okay, in order to operate these two commands, okay. This now so to create the face, I will take this, and for the radius I will take this is also same, and zx, no, xy plane, again apply this, okay. I think you are watching properly. I will fit it to my screen, and you will see here, okay, as you are watching here, okay. Now I will apply these binary operations on these two faces, okay. This is a different face which is formed by the help of a circle, and this is a different face which is formed by the help of square, okay. If you want some different geometry, you can be, but for the binary operation it requires two geometry I have formed here. Now first one is unity operation, okay. It helps to combine the two different faces or two different geometries, okay. Just I will select the surface here, faces, and try to apply, okay. Here it asking me to convert the real or virtual. Most probably, if the geometry is what we want to build the model, if it is, then you type it as a real. If you take the help of that geometry to create the another geometry, then you take the as a virtual, because virtual is the one geometry which helps to create the different geometries, but not it is the actual geometry what you want to create in model, okay. If I apply this, okay, then it will convert it two face into a single face, okay. Now again I want to undo it. This is the beauty of this is the beauty of what Gambit, okay. Now I want to go for the second binary operation, that is subtract, okay. Now the first this is the top of window of subtract binary operation of subtract real faces, okay. Now I will select the face 1, okay, to which from which it has to be subtracted, and the plane which is to be subtract, okay. Now if I apply this, then you will see the first plane which is selected at the face as at this point, that is subtracted from the other one, okay. The remaining geometry is as you saw at this face, okay. Again I want to undo, again I want to apply this operation. So by the help of this, from this I want to subtract this face, okay. This is the one, and another one is this. I will apply this. Okay, this is the multiple faces have been selected here. Yes, so that it will not coming. So I want to reset this. From this I want to subtract this. Okay, then you will see here. Okay, a portion has been get eliminated from the circle. Okay, this is the beauty of binary operation in the Gambit. Okay, now again I want to make it as a same to reset the position. Now I go for the third binary operation, that is the intersection or intersect. Okay, this is help us to create a geometry which intersected by the two different geometries. Okay, now I will select this geometry and this geometry. Okay, it will gives the intersection of the both the geometries. Okay, if I apply, then this is the part where the both the geometries are get intersected, so it has been formed here. Now this is for now, and these all binary operations are get over. This is the my end of tutorial. Be confident and try in your home and practice. The practice, as the elder says, the practice makes man perfect, and if you go on practice it, then you will get something and make to improve your knowledge. Okay, by the way, have a nice day and goodbye.